everyone, welcome to iExamB which prepare 50% faster. So here in iExamB, I Akansha Agarwal, your reasoning mentor, is again with you. It's going to work on a session of reasoning which would be helping you in your examination. So I hope सभी की preparation अच्छी चल रही होगी or you could be the next number in our selection countdown of different government examination. So here's a brief introduction about me, and in today's session, with my motivational thought, I would like to start with great things are done by a series of small things brought together. So, as I'll compare this thought with regard to your preparation going on, so the small things are QRE, right? And the QRE section in which if you'll work topic wise, so if you will study topic wise and you would be confident about a topic 100% and then you collaborate all your topics, then definitely you will achieve the success, right? So all you need is to do just break your whole subject into parts, and small part you take out, complete just complete your one topic thoroughly and complete all the variety in that topic, and just come up with more topics, and day by day you will feel more confident. And do give the mock test. Many of the students don't give the mock test as they feel like one or two mock tests is beneficial, just beneficial. No, not at all. Once you are halfway with your preparation, just start giving mock tests, analyze your mock, and don't repeat the same mistake again in your mock test, and this will of course add confidence in your preparation. So let's get started with reasoning topic. As all of you know, in RBI, reasoning weightage is 60 questions. That is a huge weightage, and that you have to work in 45 minutes. And in these reasoning topic, half of the nearly 40 to 50% weightage is of just sitting and arrange. So what I'm doing in my session, I'm taking a different topic and category of question in which you often face problem to how to start with that topic. On every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, you will be watching my session at 11 a.m. sharp. So do watch my videos for your problems you are facing in reasoning, and we are able so maybe I would be able to give your problem solution in an easy manner, and you would be able to apply that. So today in my reasoning session, we'll be working on a question of circular arrangement where the number of person are unknown. So here we don't know the number of person, and I already told you that before starting any of the arrangement, you must be knowing three things: number of people, where they are sitting, and where they are facing. So in this three part, we don't know this part, number of people. So when we don't know number of people, it's a different question, and of course the most trending and expected question these competition upcoming. So how you have to deal with this sort of question, I'll help you, and just follow the process and step by step how I'm doing it, observe it properly so that you would be able to work it in a more easy way. So this is a question. You can take the screenshot of this question, and I'll be working on this question in the next slide. So here a certain number of people sit at a circular table facing. So we know the direction, but we don't know the number of people. So in this sort of question, when we don't know the number of person, of course we'll start from the first line or whatever the data will suitable for us. So let's get started. So S sits 4 to the left of N. So we'll make a circle. So of N. So we'll start with N. N is facing inside. 1, 2, 3, S. So S is 4 to the left of N. R sits second to the left of Q. We don't know about R, so we'll make a graph out of it. So for every line, you make a graph from that line, so you are not skipping any line, or you need not to search this line in the whole paragraph. This will certainly save your time. N is one of the immediate neighbors of O. So, so from here we can split this case because n would be having two possibility with respect to O. So same data, first of all you copy down. So O could be here or O could be here. Now only 6% sit between Q and N when counted from the left of N. So it is clear from this fact that N we are having. So let's count from N left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and Q would be here. And same data you need to work on as is the same case. Okay. Now S is not an immediate neighbor of Q, though this line is not relevant over here because we are already having a gap of 2. Only 3% sit between M and Q. M and O, sorry. So M and O. So what we can do, we can write it over here, this line, as it would create two, again a possibility, two more possibility, and that would be marking two more graph which we don't want. So let's read out the next line, maybe that would help us. Only 5% sit between Q and P when counted from the left of Q. Okay, so from the left of Q we count 5 persons are sitting. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So P is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and P is here. Now what is the problem with this line and how we are doing it wrong? See why we can maybe the 5% can include M, N and O also. Here also, so we'll not execute this line beforehand. Okay, we will try to work on this line afterwards. So when we are not sure about any of the things, try to use that line and just make a graph out of it. Don't use that line. So how only 5% sit between Q and P. Okay, the first line was that R was second to the left of Q, that we can make over here, right? And not more than 4% is sits between S and R when counted from the left of S. So here is certain 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4% are there. So both cases satisfies this condition. Only 3% sits between O and Q. Okay, again I am making a line. Only 3% are sitting between when counted from the left of Q. So from Q if we are counting, then its O should be 3. So now this is because as we already know Q and O is already on our circle, so we can count like only 3% sit between O and Q when counted from left of Q. So here if we count Q, then it would be 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. So this case is certainly getting eliminated over here. Okay, so what is the problem in this question? Only 3% is between O and Q so we will make a line over here and this is already 3%. Now about M. So M and O is having 3% in between them, and the last line also we can work. M cannot sit over here. M cannot sit over here. So M and O. So if we are having O over here, so 1, 2, 3 M cannot come here, but 1, 2, 3 M would be here. And here also if we count 1, 2, 3 M could be here, and 1, 2, 3 M couldn't be here. So both cases are going correct. Now the last point if we work on, Q and P is having 5% in between them. So if we work with Q and P, and I hope it's when they counted from the left of Q, it is already written. So from the left side we are counting Q left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and P cannot come here, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and P is here. As we cannot place a person over here because already we are striking a condition that O and M is having already only 3%. So in this case, case 1 get eliminated and case 2 is working on. So how many persons you can count on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total person count is over here is 12. and rest of the question would be asked accordingly. So sometimes it happens when some sort of question come, it looks easy, but when we start making it, we get stuck somewhere. So try to read the question properly and try to make the proper graph around it. When it is written left, then you have to write left annotation. But when it is written bidirectional, then from both sides you use bidirectional arrow. The small things will help you in solving your arrangements more properly. So I hope you like this concept and you will apply in your questions further. Do visit on journal awareness part on iExam B and follow the B PDF for your current affairs and weekly current affairs. Subscribe and channel. Do hit the bell icon and please download our app and please rate our app on our channel so that we get a good feedback from your side, and feedback can be positive or negative so we can improve more and provide you more updates for your courses and upcoming examination. Thank you. Stay tuned with me for more video sessions. Thank you all.